Hello everyone, we are going to do a image background blur using Snapseed tool. I'm going to select the lens blur here. I'm going to reduce the radius, move this indicator to the top and make the blur strength to 100, and then I will click the tick mark like accepting this image. Now I will go to the view edits and I will be editing this lens blur layer. See, you can edit here. Now I will make the invert icon enable to see which all areas are blurred, and I will take out the object from this background. I'm separating here, so enabling the eye icon, we can see where all our blur effect is applied right now. Brush lens blur to 100. So now you can zoom in and you have to select that area. See, whichever this red area, this will become the background blur part, and we have to divide it. We have to bring out the object so that we can differentiate that blur and the object. So as close as possible you can do. You have to zoom in and select the background so that you can get the perfect blur background here. So I'm going to just speed up this whole process. So once done, you can disable the eye icon and you can see the blur background. Just accept the image, and this is the final image. Now you can export it. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.